12 in the morning, pop shells, part of living and berry guns, man, blood trail, every minute rogue weave, and your niggas no fail. When I hit him every time I see a pig on, I set you to kill him, and nobody give a fuck about a rule. Either get a plumber or a tool, I'm a cooler with my youngies, no bull. When I'm spraying DSK, I just fuckers fuck again, affiliate with nothing but my name, man. I don't give a fuck about a motherfucking ball. I'ma pull up with that stick and hit your motherfucking door. I don't give a fuck about a motherfucking ball. I'ma pull up with that stick and hit your motherfucking door. People be starving and people be killing for food with a crack and a spoon, but they teach motherfuckers to stay eating good, tripping away, living good, 100 still clock, but chip in a bit, suck a thick cock, fuck a grape, walk at a trip like in Bangkok. Never ever see me ever trip, but a little broad, see me on the difference when beach, you a damn fraud. And you don't wanna fuck with a jigger like me when I pull up with a Maserati. Better duck for your brains, butter on the concrete. I'ma hit you with the 4-5 bullet at your neck when I bow tie, looking like a trailer film bitch. I'ma go right back with the clip, and I know you be shaking. Don't test me or I'ma just click at your noggin. I don't give a fuck about a motherfucking ball. I'ma pull up with that stick and hit your motherfucking door. I don't give a fuck about a motherfucking ball. I'ma pull up with that stick and hit your motherfucking door.